21% of the state's 1,349 COVID deaths have been in nursing homes and other long-term care facilities. More than 100,000 people currently live in those facilities. CBS 2's Mike Puccinelli joins us live outside Covenant Living at Windsor Park in Carroll Stream. Mike?
Brad, 15 people in this large facility that you see behind me here between St. Charles Road and North Avenue have died from COVID-19. That's close to 15% of the total number of deaths in DuPage County.
When there's an outbreak at a long-term care facility, there's so much to do all at once.
And the trouble is, there have been plenty of outbreaks across the state. Here at Covenant Living at Windsor Park and Carroll Stream, there have been 81 reported COVID-19 cases. Countywide, there have been more than 90 deaths, but 64 of them happened in DuPage County's 50 long-term care facilities.
Older residents, especially those in long-term care facilities, are especially vulnerable to the disease.
Since the first outbreak was detected at the Chateau Nursing and Rehabilitation Center in Willowbrook last month, the contagion has spread to 28 other long-term care facilities in DuPage County. Hoff says word of positive COVID-19 cases has made employee retention an issue.
So yes, we've seen examples of staff that have decided that it's not in their interest to continue to work.
The governor says teams of specialists are being sent by the state into nursing homes with confirmed outbreaks. With more than 1,200 long-term facilities across the state, it's a challenge.
The most effective way to respond to an outbreak was to have a strike team of experts and advisors immediately make people and resources from the department available to double and triple check that training and guidelines were being followed.
Hoff appreciates the personal protective equipment and training that the state has provided, but he says more money for the state's long-term care facilities is also needed to address this unprecedented crisis.
Long-term care facilities are traditionally underfunded and under-resourced, and so they're facing a huge challenge with trying to keep residents and staff, frankly, safe.
Now, officials here say a total number of 70 COVID cases have been reported. They say the state is reporting more, but that's because they are counting people who are symptomatic, but as of right now are not testing positive for COVID-19. As for those who lost their lives here, officials say they're continually praying for those individuals because they are all part of the Covenant family. Reporting live in Carroll Stream, Mike Puccinelli, CBS 2 News. Erica?
All right. Thank you, Mike.